time for a business update with Nona Peltier. Nona, we're not spending as we have been at the retail shops, are we?
Well, actually, we are still spending, but we're just not spending quite as much as people were expecting us to spend.
Right.
So we're spending more on fuel. And
surprise.
Yeah, and so what's happened is overall spending is flat, and that's the volume of sales is flat. That's made economists a little bit worried that their estimates of economic growth are off the mark, and that because of fuel prices, people are holding back on other kinds of spending, and that is going to potentially have an effect on the economy. But on the other hand, oil prices are down to some of the lowest levels we've seen since 2008. That's the commodity price of oil. So we'll see how that flows through into the economy. They may have a bit of a turnaround there with the volatility.
Does that bode well for the spending frenzy that normally comes with the Christmas season?
Well, people did spend. The U.S. has more up-to-date statistics, and they showed that people were opening up their wallet and spending large there. We'll see what happens here. We don't have those numbers yet. For those, we're talking about the quarter before, so these are not up-to-date figures, so we'll have to wait and see on those.
Okay, the reporting season, business reports, Fisher & Paykel, what can you tell us?
Well, Fisher & Paykel, they met their expectations. They reported 20% increase in their first half profit to $97.4 million. The market seemed to really like that, as well as their forecast for continued growth through the second half of the year. Different story for Metro Performance Glass. Their first half result fell 20% to $9.1 million. That did not bode well for that company. Their share price fell 24% today. And that compares with 1.8% increase for Fisher & Paykel. So you can see the market does have a quick response to underperforming companies. And overall, our index ended down 0.5%, but that was in line with jitters over trade and other things that are going on in the world. So we were at 8,662. That's a drop of 39 points. And our dollar is fairly steady at 67.9 US cents, 93.7 cents Australian, and 53 pence rather.
Thank you, Nona. That's Nona Peltier with all you need to know about business this afternoon.